Hey everyone, is your car shifting erratically or is it stuck in limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner is showing P0866 transmission control module TCM communication circuit low, then your car's TCM might not be sending proper signals to the PCM. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0866 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, exact sensor locations to help you diagnose and fix it quickly. Let's get started. What is P0866? The P0866 trouble code occurs when the powertrain control module PCM detects a low voltage issue in the communication circuit of the transmission control module TCM. This issue can cause delayed or failed gear shifts, transmission warning lights, and even limp mode activation. Common symptoms of P0866: check engine light cell or transmission warning light, harsh delayed or slipping gear shifts, car stuck in limp mode won't shift gears properly, unusual RPM behavior or loss of power, transmission overheating. Now let's move to sensor locations so you can find the problem quickly. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0866, check these key components. Transmission control module TCM. Location. Usually mounted on the transmission housing or near the firewall in the engine bay. Function. Controls gear shifting and communicates with the PCM. Powertrain control module PCM. Location. Typically found in the engine bay near the firewall or under the dashboard. Function. Manages both engine and transmission functions. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location. Runs between the TCM, PCM, and other transmission sensors. Function. Transfers electrical signals for transmission control. Ground wires and battery connections. Location. Ground points are usually found on the chassis, engine block, or near the battery. Function. Ensures stable voltage for module communication. Common causes of P0866. Faulty or disconnected TCM. If the TCM isn't functioning properly, it may send weak signals. Corroded or loose connectors. Poor wiring connections can disrupt communication. Shorted or broken wiring. Harness. A damaged or loose transmission harness can cause low voltage readings. Weak battery or alternator issues. Low voltage supply can affect TCM performance. Software or firmware issues in the PCM, TCM. Incorrect programming may cause a loss of communication. How to fix P0866. Step 1. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires between the TCM and PCM. Step 2. Test the battery and charging system. Ensure your battery is providing at least one 2.6V when off and one 3.5V plus when running. Step 3. Scan for additional trouble codes. Other transmission codes can help identify the root cause. Step 4. Check the TCM and PCM with a diagnostic scanner. Ensure both modules are communicating properly. Step 5. Perform a reset or reprogram the TCM-PCM. A software update may be needed. Step 6. Replace the TCM or PCM if necessary. If faulty, replacing the module might be the only solution. Final words. The P0866 trouble code means that the transmission control module TCM is not sending strong enough signals to the PCM, leading to shifting problems and potential limp mode activation. By checking wiring, battery voltage, and module communication, you can diagnose and fix the issue before it gets worse. Watch these related videos next. P0598, Thermostat Heater Control Circuit Low. P0599, Thermostat Heater Control Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.